Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best free audio editing tool for beginners by comparing Descript versus Audacity in 2025. If you're looking for the best audio editing tool as a beginner in 2025, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Descript is available on macOS High Sierra 10.13 or later, Windows 10 or later. It has a free plan available. Creator, $12 per month. Pro, $24 per month. Custom pricing for enterprise customers. The pros of using Descript are video editing alongside your audio. You can edit your audio like a document. There's filler word removal and instant audio improvement and background noise reduction with studio sound. Multi-language and multi-track transcription that can auto-detect up to 8 speakers. AI voices to save you from needing to re-record. Third-party integrations available. Screen and remote video and audio recording. You can also publish directly to tons of websites. Descript's innovative functionality is pretty impressive. Instead of zooming in on the timeline to find the right bits to cut, you can go right to your transcription and cut the words you don't want, and Descript will automatically cut the audio and video for you. All the features available, even on the free plan, help you easily edit audio files. Audacity is another older brother in the audio industry, initially released in 2000. It's a no-frills audio editor, making it easy to pick up and learn, no matter your experience. However, that also means you're left to your own devices and skills, and you'll need to learn how to boost the audio experience if you want to create something special. The good thing about Audacity is that it's completely free, no subscription required. The software is open source, which means lots of integrations are available thanks to the open source code. It's a full DAW, so you can record directly with a microphone, an audio interface, or a MIDI device if you have the audio equipment at hand. It has plugin support, including VSTs, Nyquist, and more. But the software is basic with no handy extra features. While it's well known in the industry, it's not industry standard. Through that basic comparison, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.